Good morning, everyone! My name is Natasha Burba with last name 057 from class 4C. In this video, I would like to explain the concept and application of limit and limit function. In Indonesia, a limit is called limit fungsi. A limit describes the value that a function approaches when the variable approaches a certain value. For example, we read this expression as the limit of x plus 3 as x approaches 2. In Indonesian, we can say limit x ditambah 3 ketika x mendekati 2. To find the limit, we can substitute x equals 2 into the function. So, therefore, like this. We read this as the limit of x plus 3 as x approaches 2 equals 5. This means that when x approaches 2, the value of the function approaches 5. Now I will give another example. Consider the limit like this, where this expression as the limit of x squared minus 4 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2. If we directly substitute x equals 2, we get like this. This is called an indeterminate form. In Indonesian, it's called bentuk tak tentu. To solve this limit, we can factor the numerator. We know that. Therefore, we can cancel x minus 2, so the function becomes like this. Next, substitute x equals 2. We get like this. Therefore, like this. The limit is 4. Next, I will explain the application of limits. Limits are very important in calculus. They are used to understand derivative, continue, and instantaneous change. For example, limits can be used to describe the speed of a moving object at a specific time. Imagine a car moving on a road. The average speed can be calculated over a certain period of time. However, if we want to find the speed of the car at one specific moment, we need the concept of limit. As the time interval becomes smaller and approaches 0, the average speed approaches the instantaneous speed. In Indonesian, instantaneous speed is called kecepatan sesat. Therefore, limits help us understand how a quantity changes when a variable approaches a certain value. In conclusion, a limit describes the value that a function approaches when the variable approaches a certain value. Limits can be calculated using direct substitution or algebraic methods such as factoring. Limits are also important in calculus and have applications in understanding motion and instantaneous change. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this explanation is useful. See you next time.